Hello everyone.
Hello.
Today I'm going to present about the age of geographical discovery. This was a time between 1450 and 1750 when European explorers traveled the world, changed maps forever, and connected different continents for the first time. So why did this happen? It wasn't just about curiosity, it's just about finding wealth, spreading influence, and using new technology. This is the reason our world is so connected today. Advance in technology. Before they could say they needed better tools, they used astrolabes to find their location using stars and better compasses to find their way. They also built stronger ships that could handle the rough open ocean. Portugal leads the way. Portugal started it all. Prince Henry the Navigator opened a school to teach sailors how to use maps and math. Because of this, Portuguese ships were the first to explore the west coast of Africa. Reaches the Far East. In 1488, they sailed around the trip of Africa. A few years later, Vasco da Gama reached in India by sea. Spanish exploration. Spain was jealous of Portuguese success. Court he thought that he was in India, but he actually had discovered the America for the Europeans, defining the new world. Later, an explorer named Amerigo Vespucci realized it wasn't Asian. It is a new world. This is where the continent is named America after him. Soon after, Magellan's crew became the first to sail all the land around the world. The fall of empires. When the Spanish arrived in Central and South America, a court conquered the Aztecs and the Pizarro conquered the Incas. Spain took their gold and silver and built a massive empire. Other European powers. Other countries didn't want to be left out. England sent John Cabot to North America. John Cabot discovered Newfoundland in 1497, and the French explored what is now Canada. The Dutch also joined in, looking for land and trade. Trading empire as competition. Spices were like gold back then. At first, Portugal controlled the trade. Then Dutch pushed them out. Eventually, the English and the French started fighting over who would control the India and the Indies. conflict. In 1664, the British took New Netherland from Dutch and renamed it New York. The translated slave trade. This is the dark part of history. As Europeans built huge sugar plantations in North America, they needed workers. They began cannibal people from Africa. These slaves suffered terribly, and many died on the cruise ships. The rise of the entrepreneur. All these trades create a new types of people, the entrepreneur. These were business people who took big risks to get fortune. Mercantilism and economic change. All these European kings followed a system called mercantilism. They used their colonies to, to get ships raw material, put them into the product, and sold back them to the colonies for a profit. In conclusion, the age of discovery changed the world. It, it, it brought new wealth to Europe, but it also brought slave conflict and the tragedy of slavery. This was the beginning of the global world we live in today. Thank you.